So in my opinion, 125 would be like the next price that it could go up to. This is a lot of rambling on for no reason. Alright, I'm gonna do this one more time because this is ridiculous. Alright, y'all, welcome back to Average Money Works. Thanks for tuning in. This channel, if you are new, this is your first time, this channel is me demonstrating how you can use the stock market to generate income, to pay bills, to do whatever you want, or you can use it to start growing another 401k or a savings account, emergency funds, maybe you're saving for a vacation. And this is just me showing how you don't need a lot of money to get started. And if you do have a lot of money, I can show you what you guys can do in the market with that as well. So before we begin though, none of this is a recommendation, none of this is advice. Like I said, this is just me demonstrating with my own money, with my own plays, my own moves, um, different ways that you can use the stock market. And I'm doing the exact same thing that I just said that you can do with it. So I'm using this account here to help pay some of my loans that I have, some student loans, some my car note, a couple things. So I'm just showing you guys in real time. I have a tracker right here, a little spreadsheet, so I know how much money I've made so far. I have a 60-40 rule. I'm going to go over that in another video, but basically I'm paying myself 60% of my profits and reinvesting the other 40%. And I have it right here. I'm showing how much my account is at the end of the week and how much it would be if I didn't take any money out. So that's where we're at right now. If I go back to my Robinhood and look at where we're at, I'm up $58.67, and I'm in Apple right now. If you guys have not seen the other videos, I basically was taking my profit money and buying into Apple. So I bought into Apple 3 separate times. So I bought Apple when it was $118.37, but I only put $8 in. So I just bought fractional shares. So this goes to show you don't need a lot of money to get started. You can just buy fractional shares. If you only have $8 to invest, just throw it somewhere, you know what I'm saying? Throw it in a stock that you love. Like if you drink Starbucks every single day, invest it in Starbucks. You like Apple or you're a Microsoft guy, invest in whatever stocks that you are already invested in. So anyways, I put $8 into Apple when it was $118.30. Then it dropped down a dollar and I put another $6 in. So I made $6 extra that week that I could spend and I put it into Apple. Then the following week it dropped some more, so I put more money in. And now that Apple has gone up and basically recovered all of those losses and gone up, now it's up over $118, which was my original buy point, and I'm up almost 5%. So just because I have $19 and 85 cents really isn't that much to look at, but it's you over time it just adds up. So like I said in my other videos, I'm trying to reach 5% of profit before I take anything out. So once this reaches 5%, I'm going to take out the profits. So if this is like 90 cents, which is 5%, which would be 5%, then I'm going to withdraw 90 cents out of this position, keep my $19 in there, and just let it continue to do what it does. If Apple decides to drop some more, I might buy in some more. But right now I'm just going to hold it, basically for the time being. This is a long-term position. So what I'm planning on doing is gradually getting this up, my cost up to the point where I actually own a whole share. So that's where I'm at with Apple. That's the plan with Apple. Right now, what I want to do is I got all this cash. I'm not going to get into any positions this week just because it's tomorrow. So these prices are not going to be that great, but I am going to do one for next Friday. So I'm going to pick GameStop because I like games, video games. So GameStop will be one that I wouldn't mind being a part owner of, owning shares of. So if I was to do my sell option, which is me agreeing to buy shares, um, you look at these prices right here. This is how much I would get paid to basically say I'll buy them at this price. So $2, $4, $11, not that great. If I want to make $25, I have to put up, you know, 1,550 bucks. I don't want to buy GameStop for that price. So I would rather buy it when it's cheaper. So I'm going to go to next week and I'm going to pick this $14 one because I wouldn't mind buying GameStop at $14. So another thing, like this is your money. I'm using my money. Everybody has their own risk tolerance, their own strategies. So this is how I'm doing it. If I was to get assigned those shares at $14, the price would have to drop down to here. Put this line right here, right around here. All right. So right now it's right here. So in a week it has to come all the way down to here, which it's not impossible. It could happen and it could drop even lower, but that's where I'm comfortable buying them at. So I'm going to go ahead and get it in there. Make sure I'm selling a put. I'm just going to do one, and the spread is kind of wide. Let's do 98. So let's see if we can get filled at 98 bucks. So I got to put $1,400 of my cash in there, and let's see what happens. Alright, so I got filled right off the bat, real easy. I probably could have got 99, but it's alright. Or I should have went for 100, but sometimes you just want to get filled and not want to sit here and, play around with the numbers. So let me go ahead and put this in my sheet. And what my plan is, this time I'm not going to close it, so I'm just going to keep it open. So if I get assigned the shares, I get assigned the shares. If I don't get assigned the shares, then I don't get assigned the shares, but I'm not going to buy into any new positions. So I'm just going to put this on this line right here. So actually, let me just, I did the wheel strategy, so let me just copy this one. It's going to be a lot easier to just throw this in here. So GameStop, I did the wheel strategy today. Today's date is 12. Oh, snap. Today's date is 12/3/20. The expiration date is a 12/2/11/20. So next Friday. Alright, so strike price is 14 bucks. So I'm agreeing to buy the shares at $14 a share if I have to buy them, and I got paid $98. So I'm just going to do my 60/40 rule. I'm not going to use this $3. I'm not going to count it towards it just because it's $3. But what I'm going to do with that $3 is put that somewhere else. So let me go put my $3 that I got from AMD, the spread, view my order, and go and buy it. Alright, so I got $3 of Apple added to my cost. Let's see when it, Alright, so I got $22 worth of my own money in Apple. Right now I'm up 83 cents. So we'll see what happens with that. In the meantime, let me finish this. So I need to add to Apple now. And basically what I'm doing with Apple on this spreadsheet is keeping track of how much money I've been putting in. So then when I actually sell for profit, I can keep track of how much just basically keep track, you know what I'm saying? So now I have $22 in there of my bread and butter. Alright, right there. Now let me close this out. This is going to be the black line, basically indicating the end of the week. I'm not doing nothing else. And like I said, because I'm going to let this expire worthless, I already know that I'm going to have that full 98 bucks. I already got paid that $98. If I show you guys on here. Basically, if GameStop continues to go up in price, or if it stays the same as days go by, my option is going to lose its value, just because no one's going to really want to sell me their shares for 14 because they can sell it for a better price. So my option price decays. So that's how I make money off of this. But let me do my math real quick. 60% of 98 bucks times 0.6. So I'm gonna take $58 for myself, leaving the rest, which is 40 bucks. So $40 is gonna go here, and then we'll see what happens at the end of Friday. I'll update you guys on this, what my final account value is and what my total profit is at the end of the week. Today's Thursday, so we have one more trading day. So that's basically it for my account. We'll see what it looks like tomorrow when we wake up and come in here. But if you guys have any other questions, let me know. Otherwise, Thanks for watching. Peace.